Hey guys, it's Hunter Orlowski here on Team Infinity with a Greatmats Sport Karate Training Series tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to 540. There's a couple of steps for that 540, and the first one is our tornado kick, which I believe is the hardest one because that's the whole kick in it. All we have to do is add a couple steps at the end to fully achieve that 540. So tornado kick, you want to start with your favorite kicking leg in front. I like my right side to kick, so that right side is going to be in front. My right leg now is going to spin step in. So my spin step's super important. If my spin step's anywhere other than right underneath me, my tornado kick is either going to go way forward or way backwards. So we want to make sure that spin step's right underneath where we're standing. So I get my spin step in. I'm going to look over my other shoulder. For me, it's going to be my left shoulder. I lift my left knee up, and from here, I'm going to switch and crescent kick across. I'll do it again. Defensive stance, my front leg is going to step in, my back knee is going to lift up, I'm going to switch and crescent kick around. That's our tornado kick. What tornado kick looks like fast is this. So now, here's the next couple steps to change that tornado kick into a 540. So the first step that I like to do is I like to take my kicking leg, put it in back, and I just like to swing it up and try to land right on top of it. I'll do that again. I swing my leg up, and I land right back on top of it. Now, I like to do a crescent kick instead of a round kick on that tornado kick because if I do a round kick on that tornado kick, it prevents my hips from fully rotating around. So if you're doing this right on this swing, it should come across your body and not around it. So I'll do it one more time. It swings up and across, and I land on it. So the next step for this is kind of slowly putting it all together, right? So obviously it's not going to be perfect right away, so we have to build up to it. So the first thing I would do is do that tornado kick, barely kick, and just try to swing that leg across and land on it. From there you can start building up and up and up. So the next time I try, I'm going to try kicking a little bit higher, so it's going to go a little higher, and I land. And then obviously I keep doing that until I get to the 540, which is going to look like this. Hope you guys enjoyed the 540 tutorial.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.